How to invest when stock market crash with real life example. Example 2. Apple 2016. What happened? In 2016, Apple stocks fell by more than 25% because people were worried that iPhone sales were slowing down. Many on Wall Street through Apple had reached its peak and was not coming up with existing new products anymore. Stock price July 2015 $130, May 2016 $90. Why it was a quality stock on sale, massive loyal customer base, strong brand power, growing ecosystem, Mac, iPad, App Store services, consistent revenue and cash flow. Warren Buffett also buying Apple stock this time. What happened next? Apple continued launching new iPhone services and wearables. The stock increased very quickly and significantly past $300 split adjusted within a few years. Investors saw a 3 to 4x return by holding through the fear. The lesson: buying high quality companies when the market is panicking can lead to life-changing returns. It's like buying an iPhone, Tesla or Gucci bag at 50% off, not because they are broken, but because others are scared. What to look for during a market crash? Number 1, industry leader with strong balance sheets. Number 2, proven profitability and future growth. Number 3, temporary problems, not permanent decline. Number 4, products or services people cannot live without, but how the market recovers after a crash. For more details, my highly valuable premium course coming soon. Please check in description for special offer. Thank you. Final thought: the stock market is the number one tool for building wealth. If you are not investing, you are falling behind. Here's your challenge: invest just $10 today. Then comment below, I did it. Let's see how many future millionaires are watching this. And if you found this video valuable, subscribe and press the bell icon for watching my full life-changing, highly proven stock market series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Disclaimer: this video is not for any buying or selling recommendation. It's only for educational purpose and example purpose. I am not any financial license holding advisor. Before investing or taking any decision, please consult with your license holding financial advisor. Thank you.